$2,001 bills are on my desk, and as you know, you can find a lot of bills worth more than face value, such as rare star notes, even regular star notes, but more importantly, any fancy serial numbers. Let's get this hunt started and see what we find. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure, and welcome back to the channel. We're going to get right to the bill hunt, but really quickly, in case you're new at looking at bills or collecting bills, I have a ton of resourceful links down below in the video description. Feel free to check it out so you know which bills are worth more than face value. On top of that, if you like my collectible US paper notes mat, I have that link down below, but I'll put a quick link to it up here as well. Now, we are looking for fancy serial numbers first and foremost, especially the more rare ones. Any star notes, and I have information about how to look them up down below as well. On top of that, we'll be looking for any web notes, any bar notes, any old bills. I'm going to do all 20 straps off camera, and I'll bring you guys back at the end of every strap with the strap recaps to let you know about any close calls or any good finds. All right, that's enough. Let's get this show on the road. Strap number 1. No good goodies. Let's move on to strap number 2. Strap number 2 did not have any good goodies, but it did have an older bill, and I want to talk about it for a second because it's a series 1988A. And you'll recall in previous videos, the web notes were printed for series 88A, 93, and 95. And what you're looking for is for that printing plate number to be above the word 1 next to In God We Trust, not below like a regular bill. Well, I flipped it around. Unfortunately, it's not a web note. 105 printing plate number is below 1, but I still keep the older bills, and had it been a web note, even this terrible condition would probably still fetch $5 to $10. But that one is not because it's not a web note. All right, 2 straps down. No really good finds yet. Let's move on to strap number 3. Strap 3 was another strap without a fancy serial number or even a star note. And I said it in my last video, they're getting harder to find those star notes. People are pulling them out now. But we did get another, if I can pick it up, series 1988A. Unfortunately, printing plate is below 1, so just another old bill for the collection. 3 straps down. Let's try strap number 4. Well, we're off to a tough start. Strap number 4 had no finds either. Luckily, these are dated July 1st. Those are dated July 7th. And some of these are dated July 15th. So they're spread out over different dates. Hopefully, we're just getting a tough first 5 strap batch. But we'll have to see. Last of the July 1st straps. Will there be any finds? Strap number 5 finally gave us our first star note, a 2021 D series. I will take it. We are on the board with our first star note, and we almost had a radar note right here, 3330, and if you read it backwards, 3630. Had that 6 been a 3, it would have been a bookender and a radar note, where the first 4 bounced back in the second 4. It wasn't any of that, plus it's got a smudge, but it was a close call, our first close call. 5 straps down, not a lot found. Let's move on to strap number 6. Well, unfortunately, strap number 6 was another tough strap with no star notes or fancy serial numbers, but it did give us another potential web note, 1995 series, but obviously I flipped it around. It's not a web note, but I do keep 95 and earlier notes, although we'd love to get a web note, more star notes, and maybe our first fancy serial number of the lot. But so far, 0 for 6 on many of those things. All right, strap number 7 coming up next. Strap number 7, star note number 2. 2 star notes through 7 straps is pretty rough, but at least we got 2. Can we get a third in strap number 8? Strap number 8 was a bust. The coolest note is on top, but it's not a keeper for me. Come on, strap number 9. Time to heat up. Strap number 9, another tough strap. Maybe my lucky bank is starting to slow down with good finds. Most of these ones come from laundromats and car washes, but it looks like I may have cleaned out most of the star notes. I did pull this note out though because it is close to a low serial number. You really need 4 zeros in front to be a low serial number. This is the lowest I've seen so far of the 9 straps. Just pointing it out because low serial numbers can fetch a lot of money, especially 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Man, you can make a lot on those type of bills. But 3 zeros, hardly collectible at all. All right. Strap number 10. This will be the midpoint of the hunt, and we need some finds because right now we don't have very many. End us off with a good hunt here, buddy. Well, unfortunately, strap number 10 did not finish off the first half of the hunt with any finds, unfortunately, because we're only going to have 2 star notes and 3 older bills so far through 10 straps, and that might be my toughest first 10 straps I've ever done. Thankfully, I picked up 10 more straps here just the other day, and we'll have to see if these ones help the cause. Strap number 11, let's see what it has. Strap number 11 gave us some action. We got our 3rd star note finally, as well as another 1995 bill, but it's not a web note. The printing plate is at the bottom on the back, and I think it has some blood on it. All right, 11 straps down. Moving on to strap number 12. Strap number 12 was actually a pretty good strap overall. Star note number 4. We got our first fancy serial number. It's just a birthday note, November 21st, 2010. So if there's any almost going to be 16-year-olds out there that are watching this video, that might be your birthday note. And then we had a pretty cool trinary note. I don't normally keep trinary notes. That's when the serial number has 3 different numbers only. But it is kind of cool with 2 5s, 3 6s, a 4, and 2 6s. Now, had it been 4, 5, 5, and then all 6s, it would be really cool. But I might keep it just because it's kind of cool having only 3 numbers, of course, and then 4, 5s, and 6s. You guys let me know in the comments down below. Is this a bill you'd keep? I mean, it might fetch a few bucks, but yeah, let me know either way. All right, a fancy and a star note guaranteed and a kind of a cool bill. Best strap of the hunt. Let's see if strap 13 stays on the good finds. Strap number 13 was a bust. Let's try strap number 14 now. Strap number 14, we got our 5th star note. You know what? 5 star notes through 14 straps. At least the second set of straps is starting to produce star notes. And yeah, hopefully that continues to be the trend. Let's move on to strap number 15 now. Strap 15, another strap with no finds, but still a good set of 5 straps. Hopefully that will bleed into the last 5 straps of the hunt. Strap 16 coming up. Strap 16, another blank. I think that's 3 strikes and I'm out because that's 3 straps in a row, I believe, with no finds. But we still have 4 straps, so calm down out there. Let's see what's in strap 17. Strap 17, no finds yet again. Maybe we don't need to calm down. Maybe we should start worrying, unless strap number 18 can help us out. Well, strap number 18 brought us back from the dead. Star note number 6. We had a really close call to a broken/mixed ladder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 3. Had that 3 been a 7, would have been a nice bill. But that's not even the bill that got me excited about this strap. Take a look at this down here. We have got ourselves a binary radar. 8998, 8998. It's actually a binary radar and a binary radar repeater. So it repeats 8998, 8998. It radars 8998. Read it backwards 8998. That is a nice bill. And even though 8s aren't considered flippers, it also flips 8668, 8668. So very cool bill right there. That's the bill of the hunt. Probably a $20 to $25 bill with that crease. If it didn't have the crease, it was crisp, uncirculated, might be worth more like 40 or 50 bucks, but we'll take it. A star note, a close call, and a binary radar repeater. 2 straps left. Come on, strap number 19. Strap number 19 was another bust, but it had a close call. It could have been a cool bill. It's a trinary note with some 2s, a 3, and some 4s. Had that 3 been a 2 or a 4, would have been definitely a keeper note. And had it been all 2s, then a 3, and then all 4s, would have been a keeper. Just a close call. We'll send it back. One last strap of the hunt. Can we get a star note or something else before the end? Let's see. Well, that's unfortunate. Strap 20 gave us nothing. And listen, I know what you're thinking. It was a tough hunt when it comes to star notes, but we don't hunt bills for star notes. They're kind of like the secondary prize. We hunt them for fancy serial numbers. And even though I only got a couple of them, with only one being a birthday note, getting that binary radar repeater made the hunt a fantastic hunt. So we got a couple of fancies here. We got 4 older bills, and we got a total of only 6 star notes through 20 straps. Let me do this. Let me run the star notes through the star note lookup site. I'll see if I have any rare ones, and then I'll bring you guys back with a recap of the hunt, as well as my final thoughts and findings on those star notes. Well, we finished looking up all the star notes, and it took me forever because there's 6 of them. In all actuality, it took me just a few minutes, but no rare star notes. These are just all going to be common. They either have high print runs or high total printed, so definitely no rare ones in the lot. Common star notes like this sell for about $1.50, maybe $2 at best if they're in really good condition, or if they're older, maybe a few more dollars. Nothing special here with the serial numbers, nothing special here with the print runs and total printed. So yeah, just common star notes. That being said, I'm still happy with the hunt. We have to go through bills to find some of the fantastic finds that are still out there. And we got a semi-fantastic find here. And of course, that makes me happy. We didn't strike it rich today with a bunch of star notes or a super fancy serial number, but we got what we got. And hopefully in the next bill hunt, we'll get some more goodies as well. If you guys enjoyed this 20 strap or $2,001 bill search today, you know I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting and thanks for watching.